One of my biggest rewards is being able to show my customer how to use this technology, show them how to win with it. We have a play to win attitude, and everybody wants to win and put more money in their pocket at the end of the day.
RDO has helped us a lot with training, and the efficiency is second to none. Makes the project flow a lot better. As long as everything's on, which we have guys out checking with the rover, making sure everything is working correctly on the machine side, it really speeds up the project where we can have 50 trucks in and out moving 800 to 1,000 yards an hour. Get with the times, people. The younger generation, they're all about the technology, understand it very, very well. Some of them understand it more than me, and they've only done it for a couple of years. It makes it go so much smoother, efficient. That way we can make more money and the project's done correctly.
Anytime we sell a product here at RDO, we invest so heavily on the training side, because ultimately if we sell you this piece and it sits on a shelf, it's not doing you or myself any good. Knowledge is power. At the end of the day, if we're not helping our customers grow with what knowledge that we currently have, we're not doing our job. If you purchase anything from RDO, from a laser to a basin rover to a full-out machine control system, we have support all along the way. We have that full support line on those whole steps of wherever your company's at, helping them grow their technology profile.